I got a feeling that tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good night.
Anyway, continue on your story.
So the other day, Carly was talking to me, and then she was like, I heard Ryan kiss Ben, and I was like, no, because he kissed me.
Are you kidding me? You telling me a story about Ben and Ryan?
Yeah, but Ryan kissed me.
Anywho, so life has been kind of boring and hectic. Does it make sense? Anyways.
How do gay people laugh?
I don't know. I have to ask people. How do gay people laugh? We've got to ask them questions. I just caught a bear. Oh. Okay. Oh, a pony? No way. This is how I ride my stallion. Oh God. Anywho, okay, you guys are about to experience something that no cowboy has done before. Call the man. What are you gonna do to me, cowboy? Oh. Okay. Let's just yeah. Anywho, life has been crazy. Like your hat. Okay.
I told her I needed a small, and then she said that it was too small, but I told her I couldn't be a medium. Shut up. I was telling you about my penis.
Silly.